beautiful texture. Smash it. Good morning, guys. Today, guys, it's time to cook for breakfast. What I'm trying to cook today, waffles and sweet potato mix. So I have sweet potato. First thing, sweet potato, I basa-basain ko siya. I wait this sweet potato, put some water, put in the water, and then squish it a little bit, and then put in the sweet potato, and I poke the holes. Nilagyan ko siya ng holes bago ilagay sa microwave. I cook this in microwaves, and then it's little damp paper towel and put in like that in the microwave and cook it for sweet potato sailing. Yung microwave ko. So ito nangyari. Look how fast. It's very quick and it's easy to remove the skin. See? Okay, guys, so one of the ingredients, and then I'm gonna have some orange juice. I'm not gonna use it all. I just need a 1/4 cup in this one. Squish the juice, and then I'm gonna have milk, of course, milk and butter. We're gonna use butter and salt, of course. Ating pampatubo is a baking powder, and then of course gonna have salt, and then we're gonna have vanilla too. So it's very simple. So let me get started. So first thing, I'm going to add a baking powder there. Ano siya, yung total flour is 1.5 cup. Yan. So 1 tablespoon of baking powder para umalsay yung ating waffles. And lagyan natin siya ng salt. So I'm gonna use 1/2 teaspoon of salt, guys. Alright. And then we're gonna mix siya. Mix. This is the flour. Honey, okay. Sorry, hindi nyo nakita. Ngayon, nilagyan ko lang siya ng baking powder. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1.5 cup of flour. And then, salt. 1/2 teaspoon. So, yan. Siya. Then, we're going to smash ito siya. Smash natin siya. Sa potato. We're gonna smash the sweet potato. It's malamig-lamig na. It's cooling. So, it's easy to handle now. This is Japanese potato. Sweet potato. Ito yung kamuti talaga. This is kamuti talaga. So, we're gonna put that there. And I'm gonna smash. Kita nyo? Susubukan ko lang siya, guys. I'm trying this. We have the traditional waffle before. This time is we're gonna try. Subukan natin. Let's try a sweet potato and make sweet potato waffle. Ganda ng color. Very light green. It's like almost avocado. This is different sweet potato. Mostly is orange. This one is kind of green. But it's okay. Tikman na natin. Very creamy siya. Texture. Masarap. Okay. O, yan siya. Ilagay natin siya yung itlog. 1 egg. Wala namang there's no ang tawag ito. Sundin mo lang yung hindi kailangan sundin yung yung instruction. Yung total okay. Bahala na kayo kung anong unahin yung ilagay sa ingredients. Mix. Tapos ilalagay ko na itong ito siya. Yung egg. Egg. Tara mo, hindi pa ako kumakain. I'm not hungry. So okay. Meron siyang yung niya, magiging textures niya, parang lump siya, pero lagyan na. Mix na. Okay, guys. And then man add flour, guys. Yan. Tapos i-add natin yung add butter. Ayan. Ayan. Mukhang masarap na. Mix. Tagalin natin yung balat ng putero. Yan. So, ngayon lalagay ko yung orange. Ngayon medyo siya ba siya, oh. Pero lalagyan natin. It's simple lang, no? Kasi lalagyan pa. We're gonna add a little bit more flour. Anuhin ko muna yung orange. Yung half lang nito ng orange. Kasi magiging na siya. Ano mo sabi? 1/4 siya. Pag piniga ko. Baka. Mapiga ko lahat. I squish the orange. I just need 1/4 cup. Sana yung number. Hindi ko na nakita, guys. Almost. Okay. Sama na natin yung wala siyang seedless. No seeds. So, I got 1/4 here. Squeeze a little bit more. There you go. Now I have 1/4. Okay. Okay. Ang bango. Orange. Okay, so i-add ko siya, guys, sa ating mix butter. And okay. So, nakita nyo is still kinda liquid a little bit. We need to a little bit thicken. So, I'm going to add more flour. Ito 1/4 cup. Kasi kailangan we need a little bit thick sa the mixture of the waffles. Yan. Add pa. Okay. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. So add 2 more tablespoons. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng pecan. Okay? So, drop half a cup of pecan. Okay? Siyempre, yung pampasarap. Vanilla, guys. Lagyan natin ng vanilla. Let's put some vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. Ayan. I-mix lang. Nakita nyo yung consistency ng ating butter. I think that's perfect, ha? See, hindi siya runny. That's not very runny. See? Okay, sana maganda ang labas, ha? Cross my finger. Okay, so let's start cooking. I already have preheated the waffle iron here, a waffle pan, stove, whatever, how you call it. How you gonna call this? How you gonna call this? Waffle stove?
Waffle iron.
Waffle iron.
Waffle stove.
Huh? They cook
That gives that to the terminology for a waffle stove.
waffle stove. Dinagdagan ko pa ng ano. Sayang kasi aksay na eh. Okay guys, so are you ready? Let's do it. I'm gonna use the ice cream scoop. Depende sa inyo kung anong what kind, how big the size of the waffle you wanna make. But I think it's pretty. I think it looks good. To pull it up, the waffle irons. So you get the shape, the beautiful shape, right? So look at that, smoky. So did you put oil in here?
No.
Assistant? Okay. I don't think we need to put oil, right?
A little bit of butter.
Butter. We're gonna put butter. Okay. Why butter? Butter daw. Okay, guys. Ilagay ko lang siya dyan. Alright. Tapos, i-brush. Spread out. Ito yung waffle. This is the waffle that oops. Careful. It's hot. Spread out the butter. Okay? So, we're gonna add now. Ta-da! I'm gonna add 2 scoops. Or 1.5. I'm exploded. Okay, so close. And turn it. Okay, I hope. Okay. Ang bango. It's very smelly, yummy already. I smell like potato. So when it's cooked, the waffle, the lights will shut off. The sweet potato is already have sugar, contains sugar, a little sugar, not much sugar, but it's perfect. Enough sugar. See, the lights is off. I like this cast iron, waffle iron. Sticking there. Oh, there you go. You see that, guys? Wow. Okay, so this is done. It's crispy, crunchy. Look. Sana malaglag dyan. Okay. So repeat. Successful. Yay! Okay, so I put 1.5 scoop of this. So it's like half a cup. Punuin ko pa, ha? Let's fill it up. Let's see. Okay. Squish. See, it's very steamy, so you don't need to be closer. But it's not that hot. This is good when it's a winter time. When you make like this, steamy, keep you warm. We're gonna put I put a little bit of a butter. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter so that way it gives more, you know, like pretty golden brown. The butter will help to make a pretty color. It's like golden honey brown. So I think I'm gonna, yeah, check it out. Let's turn it the other way. Oops. Oh, I'm doing too much. That's good. That's good enough. That's not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna cook the last one here. This is a 1 scoop. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna make baby waffles. There you go. So if you want to make ahead, I have a tips. If you want to do this, if you want to make ahead, you can make more. If you have more extra, you can put it in a Ziploc and put it in the freezer for, it should stay there for at least couple weeks or a month. You just turn on your waffle iron and then you put this in the waffle iron and for preheating, and it gets crispy also. So that's my tips if you want to do that. Okay, that's all right. So it's up to you what kind of sauce you want to make. You want to eat with your waffles. Like me, I want this for me because diabetes, and probably I'm gonna add some of these. Eat some with the blueberry a little bit. So let's eat, and hope you like my video today. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please click the bottom the bell icon so that way you can notify and if we have an next video. Thank you guys, and sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking video today ngayon. So okay, bye, God bless. Tika muna, pakita ko muna sa inyo paano ang texture. Let's eat. Sarap. Tastes good. Oh my god, yummy. You should. So good. It's good texture, guys. Hope you like it. Bye.